Okay, just kidding. False start. Oh my god, I didn't know that was open. Oh my god, I didn't know that was open. How did I know? Oh my. False start. How did this get there? Technical problems, don't mind it. Don't mind all the technical problems. How do you fix this? Supposed to be more like this, I guess. I don't know. Flipping everything around. Yes. Okay, sorry, that was a false start. So anyways, so hi guys, it's me, Wayne, and today we are going to do part 2 of the Bad Country Battle Royale. Woohoo! Mind blowing. So anyways, let's just get into it. Okay, so this is the current map, and yeah, okay, I'm gonna go to the wheel of names now. Yeah, this one. See, I made some changes, so you can also hear like music in the back. So anyways, next person who's probably going to go next to be battle is it's Iran. And who's Iran gonna battle with? Wait, let me change the music first. This cable blocking. Yes, okay, this. Okay. So, who's gonna battle COS? No, wrong one. No. Don't mind this. It's Paraguay. Okay, let's see which one I should hide. So let's go. I forgot. COS here and Paraguay's here. So let's see them battle. Oh no. They're going close into COS SS range. They're into it. Oh no, COS trying to send like 5 more ships there. Boom, battling, bam, boom, ow. It haven't reached the capital yet, but Paraguay is not doing so well. He's just getting into he's just at like the river behind the beach. But they almost done it. Finally, they conquered the capital, and after that, just killed everyone off. Bam! Paraguay done. Okay, Paraguay died. Paraguay is now owned by the COS, which is the Communist of States. I forgot what to name it. So, yeah, let's go. Erase Paraguay. Bye-bye Paraguay, though. Okay, then we're gonna draw some COS here. COS plus some. Okay, border. Okay, so I'm going to eliminate Paraguay from the map. Which, yeah. Paraguay, remove and hide. So anyways, next country for battle is, I'm sorry for a very dodgy sound because my microphone's not that good. It's quite bad. It's Congo. Okay, close that. And to ASEAN. Okay, let's see how it plays out. Congo is... Oh my god, he's here. ASEAN is still... Okay guys, don't mind about this though. Don't mind about this thing. Let's just imagine they pass through here through the Suez whatever canal, I think. So let's just see it. 2 days, 4 days, 6 days. Bam! They reach ASEAN. ASEAN's not doing anything. He's just chilling. I don't know what he's doing though. Oh, he's nuking. Oh my god, he's using one of his nukes. Right in the capital here. Oh, totally wiped out. This whole place totally wiped out. Well, sheesh. Okay. But now there's a bad thing. Actually, Tanzania also felt the war, so he's fighting Democratic Republic. Oh, so sad for him, even though he could have won. Sorry, it doesn't mean that. But nukes can destroy everyone, everything. Just kidding. No, don't listen to me. So yeah, bye-bye Democratic Republic of the Congo. You'll always be in our hearts. Just kidding. I don't know if I should name a flag for every country, because like some of it I don't even know. Some of it I even just created up, like North Stanistan, South Stanistan, ASEAN, or the COS, I'm not sure. Oh, anyways. So guys, bye-bye. Let me just write ASEAN here. ASEAN. Oh, so sad for him. Okay, next country for battle is ASEAN. No, close. The Democratic Republic of the Congo. Hide. No, don't hide. What's the Democratic Republic of the Congo? Yeah, this one. No. Delete this. Ah, okay. Now he's hide. So let's go. Next country for battle is... Germany. Wow, Germany. Famous for its beer. Okay, next one. Let's see who battles Germany. Again. Will he win this time or not? Anyways, let's go to the war. Oof, Germany versus the COS. It's gonna be tough with Germany's massive soldiers and COS massive firepower. I think it's gonna be a good war. I think let's just watch. Oh, they're entering through Switzerland. Now they're at Belgium. Oh, great, they're fighting now. The COS, for some reason, is taking the long path through Switzerland, Italy, France now. Oh, then to Denmark. Finally at Germany. It was a great war, but yeah, COS didn't like get, they just like kill everyone. So anyways, bam! Okay, COS, it was really good and you won, but Germany not so good because, I don't know, they're all drunk or something. No offense to German people here though, anyways, sorry, very sorry, but no offense though. Okay. So I'm gonna erase this. Okay. No, those. Right here, this now belongs to COS. Okay. So let's just watch the next country. Let's see, what is this? Oof, it's 10 minutes. Okay, we have like 5 more minutes here. This country for battle is I don't know. Oh yeah, sorry, I have to pause for a while. So, okay, so it was Belarus here. So let me minus Germany here. Germany. Where is Germany? I can't find Germany. Ah yes, Germany. So sad for you, sorry. No, not this. Yeah, okay. And it was Belarus. Okay, yeah, it was Belarus. Who Belarus versus? So this is my last one now. Tanzania. That was New Zealand. It was such close though. Now let's see. Belarus versus Tanzania. So let's go. Oh my god, that's quite hard. Okay, start here. Tanzania just like going through the whole walking. And they fight Belarus here by walking through ASEAN, Egypt, Jordan, Iran, COS, and Belarus. But so sad for Tanzania. Belarus won the war. Oh, so sad. Sorry for you, Tanzania. So anyways, this will now own to Belarus, and I think that's probably the last one we're gonna have today. So this is the end of part 2. Yeah. So currently the biggest country is still Russia. Second one is North Afghanistan. Third one COS. Fourth one Canada. No, third one Canada. Fourth one COS. So anyways, have a nice day. Plus also watch more of my videos now. Okay. So bye bye. Oh, I forgot to make the Wheel of Names thing. Ha. Bye bye. Which thing is even supposed to be Denmark, US, Belarus, Tanzania. Ah yes, Tanzania. Okay. So yeah, this was a good one. Hopefully it's over. I'm so tired making this video series. Yeah, okay. Let me just adjust this. Yeah.